When we started talking to the team, originally we were going to do a little bit at a time, but then we also really had our needs, which was like the old doors had a lot of big gaps, wind blowing in, and there was some cracked windows and everything, so we just decided to do everything.
We knew about Window World and we knew the reputation it had, and so we decided just to go ahead and call them up. Gabriel explained everything. He even left binders so we could just keep them for a few days, and that way we could make a decision.
No, they also invited us to their
Oh yes,
their location, and
in
they had
McAllen.
some displays of windows, and then they made us feel at home right away. All the representatives that were there, so we were friendly. The folks that came to install the windows, again, very good. They cleaned up everything real good, and super guys too, and fast. And very sensitive to our needs also.
When we received the electric bill, we pretty much know that we did the right decision. That's one of the things that was a real plus for us.